props for running an OEM spark plug. I love it when people cut the screen off of there. That's supposed to be on there for a good reason. I'll put a new one in if this is worth fixing. This one might actually have survived. The ring's still moved free. Let's see what the carburetor looks like. Here's why the pull starter doesn't work. There's no rope anymore. The rope busted off. I've got a good spare one of these. Sometimes these come in and they don't get repaired, so I save the rewinders. But it's important to move the badge over. If you're going to change one, take that piece off and move it, because otherwise the spring is exposed and debris will get in there. Well, they drained the tank, that's nice. Well, let's see if it'll run. You should never run without the air filter. This is supposed to be perfectly clean inside here. The spring is still good in here. I'm just going to put a new rope on this cover. And I've got a handle. 3mm by 1060 millimeters. So I just got to cut a piece. There's a little bit of rust, but I think it'll probably still work. I just got to pull the rope through and try to roll. If you've never done this before, after you have the rope in and it's not tensioned, you slip it in right here, and then you can wind it 6 turns and then pull it out, unwind it, and it'll be tensioned. Looks good. Let's put it back together. Yeah, I need to clean that. So you want to put grease right there and in there on that little ramp, and right inside there, that's the kill switch right there, and then also right here on that axle, and then inside the cover right on this little ramp section right here.